Good Friday morning. I'm Storm Alert Weather 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. The air's been very spicy this morning. It hurts to breathe in. We've had temperatures in the teens to 20 degrees below zero and wind chills as cold as about 45. That will give you frostbite in 10 minutes, which is not a long time at all. So there is an extreme cold warning in effect through noon for the entire viewing area. Then the cold weather advisory will take over. That will continue through Saturday morning, as we'll have wind chills as cold as 30 below and frostbite in as little as 30 minutes on exposed skin. So still some dangerous cold on the way. But you can see the wind chills here starting around 35 below once the sun comes up, and then we'll have them as warm as 20 below for today. So it's going to stay brutal. No matter what time of day it is, you just want to be inside. Through tonight, the winds will become a little bit lighter. So we're going to see the range between about 15 and 25 degrees below zero. A little bit improved on Saturday, but we're still sub-zero. And then Saturday night between about 10 and 20 below. And then Sunday will probably look fairly similar to the numbers there on Saturday. Wind forecasts will actually show winds diminishing as the day goes on. So we're a little bit gusty this morning. We'll lose the gust, and then the winds drop down to about 5 to 10 miles per hour by the evening. But it's still not enough to improve our air temperature very much. And then the winds will be around 5 miles per hour tonight and through the day tomorrow. So that helps a little bit. What's also going to help to avoid the extreme cold that we're seeing this morning will be a little bit more cloud cover. Now, we do see a lot of sunshine for today. Again, it doesn't really help our air temperature very much, but it will through tonight as the clouds start to move in. So they'll move in from the southwest. Areas in the south will look at lows in the single digits below zero. But in the further part of further north, I should say, in our viewing area, the clouds take a little bit longer to reach that area. So the lows once again could drop to the teens below for tonight in those areas. Saturday probably going to end up being pretty cloudy. And then what's likely to happen, some light snow will clip the southern part of Iowa. Now, you're not going to see much of it on here, but I would say up to about Highway 30, maybe some light snow showers or flurries, with the best chance for accumulation south of I-80. We'll keep the clouds around through Saturday night, and then on Sunday, those clouds will start to decrease. So more sunshine there to close out the weekend. But the snowfall forecast, which is changing a little bit depending on how the system tracks and how far north it reaches, I do think we could see about 1 to 3 inches along and south of I-80, and then just a few flurries or light snow showers with less than an inch of accumulation for the rest of the viewing area. Meanwhile, temperatures today will only top out between about 1 degree below zero in Sigourney at the warmest to about 10 below in Decorah. That's the high temperature. And then with the winds, of course, feeling between about 20 and 30 below zero. And then for tonight, there you can see the teens below in our northern counties. A little bit milder in the south, but it's no matter where you are, no matter what numbers you see, it's just not going to feel very good outside. And then highs tomorrow barely squeak above 0 degrees, except for some of you in the north. You may be stuck below zero for the next 24 to 48 hours. And then you look at the chance for snow there, pretty low. Sunday, you have temperatures that climb a little bit higher, but still below 10 degrees. Next 7 days here, we're going to stay below normal. Highs are in the teens Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Lows are near zero or below zero, and we'll have a little bit of sunshine and then a chance for snow coming up on Thursday.